So you have seen the butterboard trend all over social media, and I'm gonna one up on that by showing you the ricotta cheese and boozy jam board. It's just as easy, even easier, because you don't actually have to whip the butter first because the ricotta already has the perfect texture and it tastes really, really delicious. Start with your favorite brand of ricotta and use the back of a spoon to scoop your ricotta onto your board in pretty little swirls. I like to line it with parchment paper to make it easy to clean up later. And then add your boozy jam in small dollops around the cheese. And then take the tip of a spoon and to make pretty swirls to give it a marbleized look. And then start topping with edible flowers and petals. The kind of petals you use does make a difference. They do have different flavors besides just being floral. While lavender and pansies are exactly what you think they're going to taste like. Things like the calendula yellow petals you see there have a very cocoa aroma, and orange flowers like nasturtiums have a very peppery flavor. So there you have it, the ricotta boozy jam edible flower board.